Does it violate the Constitution?
I doubt that it violates the Constitution. If it does, it's a matter of federal preemption as against state law. I don't think it violates anyone's civil rights. And I think, look, I'm a liberal on immigration. I supported the Bush-McCain proposals in 2006. Took a lot of grief from some of our conservative friends on this. I have actually read this bill. It is not draconian. It is not going to lead to major civil rights violations. Will a few people get stopped, perhaps, because some policeman has reasonable suspicion that a person's illegal? Will he be stopped, perhaps, on the street and asked to provide his driver's license? Yes. That is the huge, horrible civil rights violation that's going to occur 5 times or 8 times or 13 times in Arizona. Meanwhile, Arizona has almost 500,000 illegal immigrants. There are huge burdens on the hospitals and crimes being committed near the border, and it's not unreasonable for Arizona to do this.
So now we get local action, and I think it's imprudent action. As our studious friend Chris Wallace says, it's a violation of the Constitution, unreasonable search and seizure. Bill Kristol says, 8 to 13 times, is that what you said? Someone's going to stop some guy on the street. No. Let me tell you something. Anybody with now a Hispanic accent, anybody with brown skin is going to get harassed, especially if you're a young person.
You think that's what the Arizona cops are like?
No.
They just are going around looking for people with brown skin to harass.
Well, let me tell you something. The mayor of Phoenix said that, and you know what? Governor Brewer, in making her announcement, said we're going to try to prevent this kind of thing from taking place. She acknowledges this is a huge problem, and I know, having been recently in Mexico, there's a huge drug problem, and there's a huge drug crisis that's coming across the border. But this is something for the federal government to deal with. And the fact that Washington refuses to deal with it is just terrible. It's evidence our government's not functioning.